Hi, today I'm going to demonstrate to you how to use the Mac PDF encryptor. The essence of this module is to help you customize your models so that you could be able to secure your PDF files. Now, how do we use this module? This module, when you come to apps, download it from the Odoo App Store. You can go to any Odoo App Store, download this module, and then update, navigate, and put it on your add-on path, update the app list, and then you could be able to see this module. So the name of this module is called Mac PDF module. So I could be able to search it here. Of course, this is it. So I'll install or upgrade in case there is need for that. So when this has been installed, what you need to do is to go to the customization on the settings. So when you go to the settings, click on the general settings, encrypt reports. So here, I'm actually trying to look for a model in which I will set up and then be able to print a PDF in a secured format. So now I provide a title. So this title can be any text. Then essence of this action is to indicate to the system or the application that you're trying to encrypt these models. So I'll add a line. First model, I'll add my model. So if you have numerous models, you could be able to add them here. So one thing about this is if you leave this generic password empty, the system will generate a password in this manner. So depending on your server time, you can say the record ID that was generated, it can be one, and then the percentage symbol, and then the date, today's date, I mean the current date, which is 08, and then 01, which is the month, and then 2013. So it's currently the date format, which is DDMMYYYY. So this is currently the password the system is actually going to generate. And then you can use it or share this across anyone that wanted to open this particular PDF. So if I leave it empty, if I provide any password, the system is going to use this as my password. All right, so whatever I provided here. But in my own case, let me just copy this because I'll be using this for my password. So here I will be copying this and then move this so that the system can generate it for me, and then I'll save this. So if I click on setup model for encryption, the system is going to go and then set or indicate that this model is encrypted. So whatever PDF reports that is coming out of this model should be encrypted or secured somehow. So now let me go and navigate to the model. So this is the model that has this. I'll go and locate them. So everything that has to do with this model, every PDF that has to do with this model is now going to be secured. So let me do this. I'll select one of this record. You can see the record ID. I'll now click on assessment result statement. So this is kind of like any report, any printout that you want to do. If I save this, so let me open this and then look at the ID of this record, which is one. Then I'll have to click on my report. So I'll have to paste this. Remember the ID of the report and then the percentage um, symbol and then the current date, which is in the form of day, month, and year. So of course you can provide with DD, MM, YYYY. So that is just how to do this. So now when I click on submit, I'm still having a password error. So I'll click on this. Let me type it manually to be sure what I'm doing. So percentage, um, what else again? I see my dates, and then provide my months, and then perfect. All right, so this is it. It's open. It has opened, and then so now, for example, I don't really want this to be applicable anymore. Whenever I print reports from this model, what I'll do is to edit this, come in here or create a new record on encrypts, and then set up for an encryption. So one thing here is that if I go and refresh this, if I locate this report, you can see that this encrypt has been indicated or flagged as. So if I click it as, if I set the action as unencrypt, it's going to unflag this. So whenever I come here to print out my report under this model, I will be able to generate a PDF file that is not secured. All right, so let us check this. Of course, I can be able to open it. So this is just the magic of this module. So feel free to give me a feedback or comment on the module section if you have access to this. Thank you very much.